When you pass away, the assets that you intended to go down to your kids could get split in a divorce settlement if your surviving spouse gets remarried and then goes through a divorce. The reason being is that when you jointly own these assets with your spouse and then you pass away, they have full ownership of all the assets that you had. And then if they go and get remarried, that property will either become jointly owned with the new spouse or it could become marital property. And so if they go through a divorce settlement, you could split the assets you've worked your entire life for and that you intended to go down to your kids could be split up in that divorce settlement. One of the ways that you can protect from this happening is put your assets inside of a revocable trust, and then when you pass away, leave those assets inside the revocable trust and not allow your surviving spouse to pull those assets out for their personal use or to use it for the new family either. Put rules and conditions in there that only allow them to use it for the kids or for themselves. That way, those assets remain inside the trust, and if there's ever a divorce settlement that happens, those assets should be separated appropriately so it does not get caught up in that divorce settlement. Then when they pass away, you are also not accidentally disinheriting those assets for your kids because you've kept them inside that trust, and then you are distributing those assets out to the children after your surviving spouse passes away from that trust. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more on our team.